123 Forex Patterns identifies potential trend reversal positions of the price. Besides Forex, it also helps stock and cryptocurrency traders anticipate solid buy-sell zones. Trend-following traders find it ideal for placing orders around the pullback areas of the market as it helps them target a better profit margin. If you are a beginner in pattern-based trading, then the 123 Forex pattern can be an excellent indicator to start. Technically, the 123 pattern strategy suits both scalping and intraday trading. Once you install it in your MetaTrader 4 platform, you can start monitoring the trend changes on MTF charts. We've found this indicator performs best within hourly to daily timeframes. This guide explains how to identify key trend reversal positions using the 123 Forex Patterns indicator, including its Mt4 settings. What is the 123 pattern in Forex? The 123 pattern represents a three-wave price formation that portrays the reversal or continuation patterns of the market trend. It identifies bullish and bearish chart patterns, helping Forex traders engage in buy-sell activities during crucial price reversal conditions. While testing 123 Forex patterns, we found the indicator suits all types of currency pairs charts available within the Mt4 platform. How to assess market trends and buy/sell positions using the 123 Forex Patterns indicator in Mt4. Forex Pattern 123 indicator Mt4 has an amazing capability to detect high potential price action patterns. It also plots the entry trigger levels and profit targets at the same time in trading charts. All in all, it gives you a complete pattern-based trading solution. Forex Pattern 123 indicator can be a perfect assistant for those who want to trade based on price action patterns but face difficulty finding it because of less time or experience. Sometimes, even traders manage to spot the pattern but still suffer from confusion about possible trade entry or exit levels. Forex Pattern 123 indicators can work alone to solve all these issues and keep your trading life easier and much more relaxing. You can apply this indicator for any Forex currency pair and in any time frame chart to look for possible pattern trading solutions. The 123 Pattern MetaTrader 4 Forex indicator was developed for the 1-minute, 5-minute and 15-minute trading charts. The indicator draws the famous 123 trading pattern on the chart. Trading this pattern is quite easy. Take a look, screenshot below, at the third line of the trading pattern. When it is red colored, this is a bearish signal to go short. When the third line is blue colored, this is a bullish buy trade signal. The 123 Pattern Forex indicator works for scalping and intraday trading. The 123 Forex patterns target significant price movements around the daily market highs and lows to detect trend continuation/reversal patterns. Like the above example, the indicator highlighted the large bullish candle at the bottom of the chart as a potential formation of 123 patterns. The low of the bullish candle, 1, is the starting point of the reversal pattern. The high of the respective candle signifies the maximum price movement range from the starting point. Since the indicator marks the candle with blue color and the initial movement is bullish, we'll consider it a potential bullish price pattern. After the price makes the first movement, we'll wait for a retracement like the above example. 3. We can open a buy order when the price moves above the high of the blue candle. 2. After completing the retracement. Conversely, the price breaking the low of a red candle can be an ideal position for triggering a sell entry. Zigzag lines. This tool indicates the trend direction and scales the length of the momentum. It also assists the indicator to spot the possible price action pattern. Trigger levels. After the detection of a possible pattern, a trigger level is plotted on the chart to signal the entry point. Traders enter their trade in their signal direction once the price breakouts of this level. Signal arrow. This arrow confirms the pattern detection and possible direction of upcoming movement with colored arrows pointing up or down. Profit targets. A set of several target levels are set based on Fibonacci retracement levels. These profit targets are plotted just after trigger level and signal arrow appear. Conclusion: the 123 Forex patterns is the best Mt4 indicator for identifying highly probable trend following trade setups based on recent price actions. This tool makes it easier